Sony lenses can get ridiculously expensive. But here's the truth. There are some seriously good budget lenses that give you 80 to 90% of the performance at a fraction of the price. So I picked 5 budget Sony lenses that actually deliver in real-world shooting, whether you're doing photography, YouTube, or just upgrading from your kit lens. Alright, this one is super interesting. The Viltrox 28mm f4.5. This is basically a pancake lens taken to the extreme. It's ultra thin, super lightweight, and honestly feels like you don't even have a lens attached. Because it's a 28mm focal length, it gives you a natural wide field of view, perfect for street photography, travel shots, and everyday shooting. The image quality is surprisingly sharp in good lighting, and since it's so small, it turns your Sony camera into a grab-and-go setup. Now the trade-off, the f4.5 aperture. This is not a low-light lens, and you won't get much background blur. But if you shoot mostly during the day and want something compact, discreet, and always ready, this lens is incredibly fun to use. It's perfect for creators who value portability over everything else. Now this is where things start getting really practical. The Viltrox 20mm f2.8. This is one of the best budget wide-angle lenses for Sony full-frame cameras right now. At 20mm, you get a wide field of view that's perfect for vlogging, landscapes, architecture, and even real estate shots. The f2.8 aperture is a big upgrade compared to kit lenses. It lets in more light and gives you decent subject separation for a wide lens. Autofocus is fast and quiet, which makes it great for video, and the lens stays compact enough for handheld shooting. It also handles distortion pretty well for a lens in this price range. If you're a content creator who needs a reliable wide lens for both photos and videos, this is easily one of the best value picks. The Viltrox 40mm f2.5 is what I'd call a hidden gem focal length. It sits right between 35mm and 50mm, which makes it insanely versatile. You can use this for street photography, portraits, product shots, and even YouTube talking head videos. The f2.5 aperture gives you a nice balance. You get good background blur without sacrificing too much sharpness. What really stands out is the image quality. It's sharp, colors look natural, and autofocus is smooth and reliable. The lens is also compact, which makes it perfect for everyday carry. If you want a one-lens solution that can handle almost everything, this is honestly one of the smartest budget choices you can make. Now let's talk about versatility. The Sony FE 28 to 70mm. This is the classic kit zoom lens, but don't underestimate it. The biggest advantage here is flexibility. You get 28mm for wide shots and 70mm for portraits, all in one lens. That means you can shoot landscapes, travel content, events, and portraits without switching lenses. Yes, the variable aperture isn't the fastest, so low-light performance and background blur are limited. But for everyday shooting, it's extremely practical. Autofocus is reliable, and it pairs perfectly with Sony mirrorless bodies. If you're a beginner or someone who wants a do-it-all lens without overthinking it, this is still one of the most useful options. And finally, if you want that cinematic look on a budget, the 7 Artisans 50mm f1.8 is where things get exciting. That f1.8 aperture means you get beautiful background blur and strong low-light performance, which is perfect for portraits, creative shots, and moody video content. The 50mm focal length is a classic. It gives you that natural compression and flattering look for subjects. Now here's the catch. Many versions are manual focus, so this isn't for everyone. But if you're willing to take control and slow down your shooting, you can get stunning results for the price. This lens is perfect for creators who want to experiment with depth, lighting, and cinematic visuals without spending a lot. It's easily one of the best budget lenses for that pro look. So yeah, these are 5 budget Sony lenses that actually deliver real value in 2026. Whether you want something compact, versatile, wide, or cinematic, you don't need to spend a fortune to upgrade your setup. Check the links in the description if you want to grab any of these. And if you're into camera gear and budget tech like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.